My name's Maurice Ben-Mayer and I'm the President of Stryker South Pacific. Stryker is a global medtech company and every day we are committed to making healthcare better, both in Australia and around the world. 3 weeks ago, our American engineers designed this emergency relief bed to assist hospitals with the surge capacity required in response to COVID-19. 3 days later, with the assistance of Amtech, we had this prototype built in Australia. 3 weeks later, we are now in a position to supply this product to the local market and to the region. We're incredibly proud to be working with our local manufacturing partners, Beard, Fallshaw, Amtech and Varley. And with these great companies, we will be able to produce 1,000 beds a week to support both Australia and the region. We'd particularly like to thank the Australian Government and the Advanced Manufacturing Growth Centre for connecting us with these suppliers and facilitating this project. Our partnership is a true testament to the ingenuity, hard work and dedication of both the medtech sector and Australia's manufacturing sector.